Alright guys, well basically I'm going to be showing you how to use the Kuzler program, its functions, how to use the server, and how it actually works on the person side who's running it. Alright, so basically open your Kuzler exe, got the layout over here. This is basically the server tab. This is where if you want the connections to be coming in, the connections will come in and show up over here. So let's go up to the rules tab and show you the layout of what everything does over here. Basically, here's how you're going to be setting up the exe. So you got the if command, the contains, the then, simple redirect to, it always changes, delay, number of times, add rule, load rule, save rule, bind with, you can bind with exes, icon, add an icon, add kilobytes, show you know what that is, and your server host IP address. Here you got two checkboxes that lets you connect. So if you untick this and create an exe, it won't connect to any server. You tick it, you can just set the server to connect to over here. At the startup will basically every time the person restarts the computer, he's going to get it running again. So let's try with URL first. You got the title, inner text, and an HTML, but I'm giving you an example with URL. So if the URL contains, let's say www.google.com, and you can then either simple redirect, select redirect, pop-up URL. I'll be explaining everything, so just pick simple redirect. So google.com, simple redirect to yahoo.com, yahoo.com. You can delay it, and it will delay the time you want it to go out to run this command. Number of times you can put it, for example, 5 times. It will only run it 5 times every time Google is visited, and then it will stop working. So let's add the rule and move on to the next thing. So set redirect. So www.google.com.co.uk. let's still redirect to www.facebook.com. So let's add the rule over here. Now let's pick www.youtube. I'll be explaining what these do in the next video. youtube.com, pop-up URL of www.amazon.com. add rule, visible iframe URL. It's basically we'll put an iframe at the bottom of the page. So let's pick www.ebay.com and iframe www.highfive.com. add rule. Well, basically invisible iframe URL, I can't really show it to you because it won't show up anything. What it does is on every page, for example, I can put ebay.com to invisible iframe at your site.com. So every time someone visits ebay.com, you can either cookie stuff them, or you can just get some extra hits, your site fake hits, you know, or like for CPA offers to get up some fake hits to make it look like it's white hat traffic and shit like that. So let's forget that. So let's custom HTML SRC. So let's pick www.amazon.com. Custom HTML SRC would be basically like you put your own HTML text in it. So let's aref, wait 1 second, p align equals center, 1 aref equals www.google.com. So basically you're putting your own HTML into the bottom of the page. It will show whatever code you put of the HTML at the bottom of the page of the content site. Click here, close A, close P, and let's add that rule over there. So show other bulk message is basically like let's pick a site, www.google.com.mt to show another books. This is google.com.mt. Run command is basically whenever a user visits a site, you can run a command in the computer's program. For example, let's wait 1 second. Alright, so let's pick www.gamespot.com and run command calculator.exe. Add that rule. Block will basically just block the site, so let's do something like piratebay.org and block that site. So alright, now let's basically set up a server and create the exe. I'm going to be connecting to localhost, so let's 127.0.0.1. Start the server and create the exe test. I'll be showing you everything else on the other video.